guys, welcome to the second part of DSP. In this, we are going to discuss the decimation interpolation part 2. If you haven't watched my first part of decimation interpolation, then please do watch that. The link will be in the description below, because if you haven't watched that, then you won't be able to understand anything in this part. So now let us begin with this part, that is part 2 for decimation and interpolation. So let us start with a question so that our concepts get much clearer based on a question. Suppose we have given a signal, that is xn, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, and the pointer is at 5. Now what we have to do is we have to find out the value of 2n by 3. So now you guys must be getting confused, because in this we are doing decimation, that is we are decimating it by 2, and we are also doing interpolation, that is we are doing interpolation by 3. So we are performing both the operations over here, that is we have to find out decimation also, that is we are decimating it by 2, because 2 is written on in the numerator, and we are also interpolating this signal by 3. So now the question arises that what should we perform first, whether we should perform decimation first or we should perform interpolation first. So now I'm going to discuss a concept. Please write it down. This concept is very important. First of all, whenever you are given a question, irrespective whether you have to find out decimation, interpolation or anything, the first step should be you have to perform interpolation, no matter what. Your first step should be to perform interpolation based on the question, whether it is zero interpolation, step interpolation or linear interpolation. This thing will be given in the question, but what you have to keep in mind is that you always have to start with interpolation, then we will go to decimation or whatever else. So let us first do a decimation by 3. As in the question it is given, we have to do a decimation by 3, and we will be assuming step interpolation. Now let us revise what was step interpolation. It was discussed in the previous video. Please refer to your notes you must have made in the previous video. Please look at that video. But even if you hadn't make any notes, I will be discussing step interpolation again over here. That is, what you will do is we will write xn of 3, because this is what we have to find first, because interpolation has to be done first. That is, we are breaking this into two parts. First of all, we will do n by 3, and then on this we will perform decimation, that is we will write 2n by 3. So this part is the interpolation part and this is the decimation part. So let us proceed with the decimation part first. Suppose we are given the question, that is 3, 4, 5 and 6, and the pointer is at 5. So first of all, what we will do is, as discussed earlier, we will be writing 2 dashes over here because we have to interpolate it by 3. Then we will write 4, then 2 dashes again. Then we will be writing 5, then 2 dashes again. Then we will be writing 6, then 2 dashes again. Do not forget to write these 2 dashes at the end. So now we are doing step interpolation. So for step interpolation, it is really easy. What we have to do is we simply have to write whatever is written on the left. That is, we will write 3 2 times over here, 4 2 times over here, 5 2 times over here, and 6 2 times over here. So this is our interpolated part, which has been done interpolation by 3. So we are done with the first part. So now we will be doing the second part, that is decimation, 2n by 3. So we have n by 3. What we have to do is we just have to decimate it by 2. Now decimation is even easier than interpolation. Just keep on writing along with me and keep making notes. Pause the video and understand the concepts that are being discussed over here. Otherwise you will forget everything, even though it is a very easy concept. So now what we will do is we will be writing 2 over here, and we will doing decimation of the signal that we had found out earlier. That is, on this signal we will be performing decimation. On doing so, what you will get is you will get 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Now if you have watched the previous video, you will be able to understand that what I am doing, but I will discuss it again over here. We had the pointer on 5 as it was given in the question over here. See, the pointer is on 5. So for decimation by 3, what we will do is we will be taking jumps of 2. Sorry, we are doing decimation by 2. So we will be taking a jumps of 1. So from 5 we will jump to another 5, because we have to take a leap of 1. Then we will again jump by 1 and we will reach over 6 over here. And we will stop because there is no other part over here on 6. Now we will do similarly on the left hand side. because the pointer is on 5. So now we will take a leap of 1, we will reach on 4. We will take a leap of 1 again and we will reach 3. We will take a leap again and we will reach 3 over here again. And we will stop because there is no other part over here. So this is what we have done. First of all, we wrote 5, that is this part. Then we took a jump of 1 over here to reach here, and that is what is written over here. Then we took a leap of 1 again, and then we found got on 6. Now similarly for the left hand side, we took a leap on the left hand side and we wrote 4 over here because we jumped on 4. Then we will write 3 over here, and then similarly we will write again 3 over here. So guys, this is what you do for decimation. That is, we were doing a decimation of 2 over here, so we will take a jump of 1. Let me write it down for you. If this is a concept, so please star mark it, or whatever marks you make for important notes, and write it down that if the decimation is of 2, that is, the decimation is to be done by 2, then jump by 1 or take a leap of 1. And if the decimation is of 3, then what you will do is you will jump by 2. That is, you simply have to jump by decimation minus 1. That is, decimation over here is 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1. And decimation over here is 3, so you will write 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, and you will get 2. And similarly for interpolation, if we have to find out the interpolation by 2 or of 2, then we will be writing write or give one space, or the spaces that we make before we proceed with the question. That is the spaces that we make. If we have to decimate interpolate by 2, then we will give one space, and if we have to interpolate by 3, then we will be giving 2 spaces. Similar concept is there as for decimation, but just the things we have to perform are different. So these are the 2 things we have to keep in mind, and please make a note of this. These are very important notes and you should be remembering them and knowing them. So now guys, we will be discussing important concept of decimation interpolation in the next video, and that is a very important concept, and that will be our part 3, video part 3, in which we will be discussing decimation and interpolation. So keep tuned, stay tuned, and please subscribe our channel in order to motivate us to create more such videos in order to help you understand the concept better and in an easy way. So guys, this is it for this one. See you in the next video.